everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about RenewaLift, which is either a legit or a scam. Now, before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide where I show you the exact process. Links in the description. So, RenewaLift is marketed as a non-invasive anti-aging device that uses red light therapy and micronutrients or microcurrents to rejuvenate the skin. Their website is full of flashy claims and glowing before and after photos, but there is no real clinical data or dermatologist endorsement to support these claims. According to recent reviews, especially on Trustpilot, many customers are calling it a scam. Here's why. The checkout process adds extra products without clear consent. Some users say they were charged in US dollars without warning, causing unexpected conversion fees. Attempts to cancel or get a refund were met with ignored emails or flat-out refusals. One reviewer from Australia said PayPal processed their payment without authorization after the bank declined it. Even worse, some people never even received their product or got emails saying it was still processing long after shipping was supposedly confirmed. For the final verdict, RenewaLift raises too many red flags to be considered trustworthy. From aggressive upselling and unclear billing to customer service horror stories, this doesn't seem like a brand you can rely on, whether or not the device works. The shady business practices are enough reason to stay away. If you're looking for real anti-aging solutions, consult a licensed dermatologist or look into products with transparent clinical backing. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.